Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in last video we had discussed about the how you will write the function of a function and how you will find the inverse of a function. So here we will learn how you will check the whether you can where there is inverse of a function of not of a given function. So here two question I have written on the basis of two question I will make you understand how you will tell कि particular function can be written as inverse function means how you whether you can write inverse function of a particular function or not. Okay, so see here one question is given. What question is saying? State with reason whether following function have inverse or not. Okay, so you have to tell state with reason whether following function have inverse or not. So here functions are given. Okay, so you have to tell whether you whether there is inverse of this function or not. Okay, if there is inverse, so you have to give reason why. Okay, if not inverse is there, then you have to give reason why. So see here what is given. First one, f such that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 tends to 10 with f such that order pair is given 1 comma 10 2 comma 10 3 comma means here functions are making from this to this and function is this. Okay, so in this way second one third one also given. You have to tell whether there is inverse of this function or not. Okay, so see here, so before telling this I would like to tell ki if function you had learned the types of function. You had learned the types of function. One is one function. Okay, one is many one function. Okay, now after that I have told you that key both can be into also and onto also. Both can be into also and onto also. So if there is function 1 1 and onto is there, means that this function is there. Key if function is 1 1 and onto, then that function have inverse only. That function have inverse only. If any function many one is there, if any function many one is there, so no inverse will be there of that function. So here we will check whether the function is of which type. Okay, so if you know the type of function key particular function is given is of which type. Okay, so you can tell ki there is inverse or not. So see here, if a function is 1 1 onto function, then there will be inverse. If there is function many one, then no inverse will be there. Okay, so let us see whether the function is one means here. First of all, you have to tell ki whether which type of function it is. After that, you can tell whether it this function have inverse or not. Okay. So see the first one. First one f is what 1 comma 10, 2 comma 10, 3 comma 10, 4 comma 10. So many one function is what? Suppose that if there is element. Okay. So suppose 1 2 is there. Here is a. So if the image of two or more element have only one. Okay, if image of two or more element have only one, then that is called the many one function. So in this you can see 1 2 3 4 all have 10 image. See, all have 10 image. See, all have 10 image na. So it is what? It is many one function. It is many one function. So if function is many one function, then there will be no inverse. Then there will be no inverse. So what you will write key this type of function is what you will write this type of function is many one. So function have not inverse. Okay, have not inverse. So there will be no inverse. Okay. Now see the second one. Now see the second one. In second one, what is given? G is equal to 5 comma 4, 6 comma 3, 7 comma 4, 8 comma 2. So if you write like this 5 6 7 8, okay, in this you write 4 3 2. So see here 5 and 7, 5 and 7 have same element, okay, and remaining have unique. So it means 5 and 7 have same element, same image, same image. So function is what type? Function is function is what type? Many one, many one. So function have not inverse. Function have no inverse. Function have no inverse. Okay. Function have no inverse. Okay. Now see the third one. See the third one. In the third one, what is given? H is equal to 2 comma 7, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 11, 5 comma 13. Okay. So see here. So in this 2 have 7, 3 have 9, 4 have 11, 5 have 13. Means every element have different image and one image. Every element have different image, one image. Okay, so it is one function. What? One function. And no element also left. So one on 2 is there. So it have inverse. It have inverse. See here. In this way you will tell. Okay. If function have many one function, then there will be no inverse of the function. If function is one function, then there will be the inverse of the function. So in this you have to tell them only this. Okay. Whether the function have inverse function or not. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Now see the next one. Next one is saying so that you have to show function such that minus 1 comma 1 here closed interval is there, means you have to take value of minus 1 0 and 1 only tends to r. Okay, means on putting this value you will get the r value given by fx is equal to x upon x plus 2. So this also belongs to r, this also belongs to r, is 1 1, means you have to show that this function is 1 function. To find the inverse of function, if listen, first of all you have to show, means it is 1 function, you have to show this. Now if it is 1 function, then there will be inverse, as I told you ki if function is 1 function, then there will be inverse. Okay, so it is 1 function, then there will be inverse, then you have to find this. Okay, and this is a condition is given, same condition is there. Okay, range f. So how you will find that? First of all you have to show. So listen, so this is one way also there. If you have elements of the function, then you can tell. But here function is written in the form of algebraic form. So write down we have fx is equal to x upon x plus 2, x plus x upon 2. Suppose that let fx is equal to y, fx is equal to y, then x and y, x y both, x comma y belongs to r, belongs to r na. See, both belongs to r. It means so fx is equal to fy will be there. Means if you will put in place y in place of x, then you will get the same value only. Okay, so now what we will do, you will see fx is what, x, x plus 2. Now fy will be then in place of x write down y, y upon y plus 2. Okay, now take the cross multiply, take the cross multiply. If you get x is equal to y, then you have shown that it is 1 function. See, now take cross multiply, x into y plus 2 will be here, y into x plus 2 will be. Now multiply it, xy plus 2x, xy plus 2y. Now see, xy get cancel each other. What you will get, 2x is equal to 2y. Now 2 cancel each other, what you will get? X is equal to y. So what you will write? Ki fx is 1 function. Fx is 1 1. Okay. Fx is 1 1. See, means on putting another value in place of given means on putting another variable in place of given variable, if you are getting both variable equal to each other, then function will be the 1 1 1 function. Okay. So in this way you can, if it is 1 1, then there will be inverse, then you have to find the inverse also. So how you will find the inverse? So for finding the inverse, you have to write y is equal to x upon x plus 2. Okay, from here, see, we have taken now, see, fx is equal to y is there, so fx is equal to, now take cross multiply, what will come? Y into x plus 2 is equal to x. So what will come? xy plus 2y is equal to x. Okay, now inverse of function means, in last video I told you ki inverse of function means you have to write given variable, okay, in terms of another variable. So it means you have to take x this side and y this side. Okay, so what will come? Xy minus x is equal to 2y will come. See here. Now take x common, to y what will come? Y minus y 1 will come. Now x will be what? So 2y upon y minus 1. So see, this is the inverse of f. Okay, this is inverse of f. See, this is the inverse of f. So here write down the inverse of function is x is equal to 2y upon y minus 1. Okay, let's see. So in this way you will write the inverse of a function. So I hope you have understood how you will tell ki particular function have inverse or not. If function is many one function, then there will be no inverse. If one function is there, then there will be inverse. If there is if there is inverse, then how you will find the inverse? In last video also I had told you ki how you will find. Here also I tell you ki how you will find. If you want to prove ki the particular function is one function, then how you will, so take another value in place of given value, take another variable in place of given variable. Now equate both one fx and fy, then simplify. If both variable are coming equal to each other, then function will be then one function. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay, so if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and wait for the next video. In next video we will some more thing about the this chapter, relational function. Okay, so wait for the video. Till now, thank you.